Number 5 is official Creality Ender-3 Neo 3D printer. Are you ready to take your cosplay game to the next level? Then the official Creality Ender-3 V2 Neo 3D printer is your perfect choice. This easy-to-assemble printer requires only 3 simple steps, making it ideal for newbies and experts. Say goodbye to manual bed leveling with the upgraded CR Touch 16-point robotic technology. This intelligent leveling system can automatically compensate for the printing height of different points of the hotbed, saving you time and hassle. The brand new 4.3-inch UI user interface adds a model preview function, allowing you to observe the printing progress easily. The 9 supported languages make it accessible to everyone. Thanks to the PC coating and magnetic sticker, the removable PC spring steel magnetic build plate ensures that your prints stick to the surface immediately. Once finished, the models can be easily removed by bending the print sheet. The silent motherboard of the Ender-3 V2 Neo creates a quiet environment, perfect for your at-home printing needs. The extruder is upgraded to full metal, giving it greater extrusion force and durability, reducing the risk of nozzle blockage. So if you buy this remarkable 3D printer, check the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printers for helmets. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.